Welcome to X3 English's YouTube channel. Here, we will help you to learn how to self-study English simply and effectively. Mastering English is always a challenge for anyone. You might not be sure where to start. There is so much to learn. There are so many things to remember. There are too many exercises to do. And the biggest challenge you will face is that it is just too easy to give up as soon as you have started a few weeks. We have invested nearly 5 years with a budget which is not small. We have more than 7,000 hours working directly with the students. And the final result, we have found a complete solution for those who want to learn English successfully. And we have created this channel to share those secrets through the most effective and simple self-study recipe to help you easily conquer English successfully in just a short time. I know English can be a nightmare for you, but I believe mastering English is always the best solution to change your life. And that's why we do everything to help you. You will have everything you need through this channel. From there, you can open up a new world for your life. Make sure you subscribe so as not to miss these useful tips which we will share with you.